Hello and welcome to my channel. First of all, I have to apologize because I lost my voice and I have been sick last couple of days. So trust me, I haven't been drinking. Probably it sounds like it, but no, I haven't. You know, flu, fever and alcohol, well, they don't mix really good. So just forget that part. But what I want to talk about is about a new project. Before I'm going to introduce you to the car, I'm going to give you a heads up. I was looking for a gasoline engine or petrol engine, how do you prefer? And the market is awful. I already checked the 5 Series, 3 Series, 7 Series, nothing, like really nothing. I found a few cars from Lithuania, but I thought that I'm too tired to take a road trip to Lithuania. It's about, I don't know, 1,200 kilometers forth and back. So I started to search the car in my home country. And luckily, one of my friends, person I know a long time, is selling her car. So I thought, yeah, why not? I'm just gonna go and check and see what it is. The car itself was pretty okay condition. Well, there's rust and stuff here and there, but come on, it's 20 plus years old, so I think it's pretty normal considering the age of the car. So I went to see the car, and the exterior was okay. What was like amazed me was the history of the car. She bought it back in 2016, and till yesterday she was the only owner, and she kept pretty good care of the car. The whole engine has been rebuilt from ground up. All the main bearings, belts, pulleys, all the injectors been refurbished, so basically everything. And also the suspension, so all the trailing arms and bushings and shocks and springs and whatever you can find on the car has been replaced over the 7 years. That was a good, platform to start from. I have owned a lot of these models in the past, and I know how they behave. Sometimes they are like girly, they have their moods, and they mark the spots like BMW usually does. And some mornings they won't start, and some mornings they will start, and it's a common thing. It's everyday life for us. But yeah. So I didn't even test drive it, and also I had the service history. I trust her with everything. I also checked all the invoices yesterday. The amount of money she had invested to that car, well, it's not that much, but it's a little bit more. It's a 5-digit number, if you are curious. So it's the big reveal. So, and here it is, my 2002 E39 530 diesel. Yes, I wanted a petrol engine, but as I told you before, there was no good ones on the market. That's why I decided to go with the diesel. Black sapphire metallic, no window tints, original style 66 wheels. She just kept it, mechanically, I would say perfect. Despite all of that, unfortunately I can't keep my hands clean because there's a lot of small things and details I would like to take care of, record everything. Of course it takes time. I still have to earn my living every day, so I can make these videos happen only in the weekends. I don't have enough time to deal with the project, so I'm sorry about the dirty car because the weather is shit, so it's pointless to wash it. But yeah, let's start from the back. The rear wiper, it's not moving at all. We need to fix that. Probably corroded inside, and the easiest way is to, if it's available, I can order a new one and just replace it. BMW logo missing. Those, I think I have these somewhere in the garage. This is also, the paint is coming off and doesn't look pretty at all. Also the folding mirrors doesn't work. The right one does, but the left one is stuck. I have to figure that out, what's wrong with that. Lower, how you call them, mud guard extensions, whatever, those are broken, both of them. The original is 480 euros a piece. What a freaking price. Headlights dead. I already ordered new lenses. The fog lights gone. This one has a crack. Luckily you can replace them individually. So, well, the kidneys, small issue because it's the darkest season of the year. I was struggling to drive yesterday, couldn't see a thing. This is broken. The fog light, also we're missing the cover here. Then there's the other side, looking good. Well, it's not the baddest, but yeah, the door doesn't look good at all. This is the thing when you're buying old BMWs. Look how nice it is. Oh man. It's gonna fall off in some point. There's some plastic covers missing, also here it's missing. Oh, it's quite normal. Oh. Soft close my ass. And there's the interior. Yeah, the driver's seat, it's always broken, so this cushion needs to be redone. Also, okay, I'm not gonna touch it. I'm gonna see what I can do with that. And you know what caused this? You're right. Seat belt. Yep, I have to fix it somehow. 69 original. Yeah, cup holders broken as always. The steering wheel, M-Tech 4. It's pretty okay. As you can see, most of the pixels are dead. I already ordered the parts to fix it. For pixel fix something should arrive next week. Hopefully I can make that look new again. I can read the kilometers. I also can read the trip, but here's the outside temperature. It's 2 what? Fahrenheit, Celsius, +2, -2, who knows? But overall it's pretty good. And man, I like to drive it. It's so quiet. Even if it's a diesel engine, it's still so freaking quiet compared to the previous car that I had. The radio buttons, oh man, they look soft. Oh shit, it's coming off. The other one as well. I'm gonna figure out what to do with the head unit, because I like to be modern car user, so maybe I'm gonna just buy some kind of Android here so I can use all the Bluetooth maps and stuff, but this is not the priority. The sound works, so no problem. Also in the back, the seats need some cleaning, but overall it looks fairly okay compared that it's almost 23 years old car. Then there's a little boombox. I'm probably gonna get rid of it, because why I bought the Wagon is the reason that I like practical cars, and if you have this big boom box lying around in the trunk, it's not practical anymore. So I'm gonna get rid of it, and I'm gonna probably install the subwoofer on the right side where they originally usually are. There's the original one actually. I'll see what I can do. haven't seen the car from the underneath or underside. Actually, I'm looking for rust. There's a little bit down here. That's not too bad. Also, the jacking points are done, or at least the previous owner told me I shouldn't worry about these. Also the other side, what's in the back? It's not so bad at all. I was worried that it might be even worse. Here's the small issue, should be the brake line. Yeah, definitely needs replacing. All the bushings and ball joints and everything are done, so I don't have to worry about these at all. Here's some minor rust, but nothing major. I don't know, this looks pretty bad. Need to replace that in some point. A little bit rust here, a little bit here. Oh man, I better not touch it, otherwise it's gonna fall off. This checking point is good, but what we have here, crankshaft rear seal is leaking. This plastic we need to fix. Also these are broken, the lower parts of the fender liner. And the funny issue is 480 euros a piece, original. I bought these not original ones, I already made the order. I don't know, I'm gonna get them next week or after the next week. Then we can see will they really fit, or we have to modify them to make them fit, because fuck no, I'm not gonna pay 480 euros per side. It means close to 1,000 euros, just two plastic small pieces. Not a chance. The left one, missing. This is all bent. I have to fix that. As you can see, it's empty. The bumper took a small damage. I think it should be the original M bumper, and those are also really expensive when you want to buy them new. Here's the crack. Yeah, I'm gonna just remove it, fix it, paint it again, but after winter. And this is the bad place. It's gone, as you can see. I already talked to the body shop guy. I have no idea when I'm gonna get that done, but hopefully soon. Driver's door, E39. I'm really surprised that it looks even that good. There should be an O-ring leaking. We need to fix that. There's a plastic cover missing here, so I have to check for that. Leg joint, okay. This muffler or exhaust bracket looks awful, but there's nothing to do with that. Maybe I'll figure out something. But yeah, overall, actually not so bad at all. Surprised. Diff, dry. Definitely, I would say a good purchase. Thank you for watching the small review of my stupid purchase, and hopefully when I get the parts we can start fixing all the issues what I showed you one by one. But the most important thing is the headlights. I got the projectors made in China, Olin, something like that. Doesn't matter at all. I have small thoughts. I found some LED projectors. I'm not sure, should I buy them? Should I avoid them? And should I go just with the bike xenon headlights and that's it? Done this few times in my previous cars and the result was awesome, but it was so many years ago. Maybe I should like upgrade it to a LED. Well, this is the part where I'm just thinking about it. Maybe I should do that, maybe I shouldn't do that. If you enjoyed what I created, just give thumbs up, and there's a button down there. Don't forget to subscribe, and hopefully we'll see you soon. Ciao.